Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro G260 second stage. So as you can see, it comes with a standard rubber hose. Traditional length is about 75 centimeters and comes with all of the hose protectors on that as well. So you can fit this to pretty much any of the Scubapro first stages. This is their kind of tough workhorse second stage. You've got metal details that just improve the aesthetics and the overall kind of working of the second stage. It's very practical second stage. It's ambidextrous as well, so you can swap the insides round, and so the hose actually routes in from the other side, depending on your sort of hose routing. As soon as the air comes in, this little nut actually turns into a bit of a heat sink, so that's improving the cold water performance. As soon as you get any kind of metal work, that actually absorbs heat from the surrounding water and improves the cold water performance of the regulator. The purge button on the front is a nice tactile purge button, really quick and easy to find and use, and it has a little sort of storage feature. So when you push it in and rotate it a little bit, it actually holds that button in, and that relieves the pressure on the seat, so that when it's in storage it's not bedding in, because the spring isn't actually pressing down on the seat very hard. So that's great if you leave it in storage for any length of time. Just means it's not going to creep at a later age and need sort of extra servicing. So you have two adjustments on the second stage. You have a breathing adjustment knob, which is metal and crenellated. You get a nice grip on that. Even if you're wearing thick, chunky gloves, you can always adjust that. You can screw it in to make it a little bit stiffer to breathe, so that makes it perfect for a stage cylinder or an alternate, so that as soon as you jump in, it's not going to sort of free flow quite as readily. But if you kind of switch to it and you want an easier airflow, you can sort of unscrew it, and that just means the cracking effort is that little bit easier. It also has a PreDive switch, a Venturi switch on there, so you can switch it from PreDive to dive just to improve the airflow. But if you really want to interrupt any free flows, then put it to PreDive. That redirects the airflow on the inside, so as one starts to kind of form, redirects it and interrupts it before it even occurs. Now, the exhaust tee is a two-stage exhaust tee, so that reduces the overall work of breathing and also just pushes those bubbles right around the side of your face, out of your mask, so you get a bubble-free view. Decent mouthpiece on that, nice and comfortable, actually stays in your mouth without biting too hard, and you have a reusable cable tie as well, so you don't have to, if you're swapping out your mouthpiece, you don't have to cut the old one off and then fit a new mouthpiece and then put another cable tie on, cut that down to size. You can reuse this one to your heart's content. So a fantastic second stage, more directed at the sort of advanced technical divers, but it's got all the bells and whistles that you could possibly need. This is the Scubapro G260 second stage. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.